Hello everyone, my name is Vincent Lagmay and presenting the state self-esteem and academic performance in practical research 2 among grade 12 students in Sagayan National High School. Global. In Namibia, the Oshikoto region in Namibia struggled with providing quality English education, leading to poor academic performance, with nearly 30% of grade 12 students failing English. This issue contributes to a low university qualification rate nationally, raising concern about its implication for Namibia in goal development. Asia. Standards exam highlights global concern about math underperformance, with students in the Philippines particularly struggling in high school mathematics. Attitude and study habits significantly affect math achievement in the Philippines, contributing 15.2% and 29% respectively. National. In Surigao, understanding the factors affecting student athletes' education is essential for developing support system that foster holistic growth. A study revealed that most participants train over 2 hours per session, with 29.5% achieving a GPA of 89 and a majority being female, 52.8%. And the local, in Davao City, a study examined the impact of self-efficacy on student academic performance in online learning environments. The researcher highlights the importance of self-efficacy in shaping strategy for academic success and its role in enhancing the Philippines education system. Research objective: to describe the level of self-esteem in terms of high self-esteem and low self-esteem. The next one is to describe the level of academic performance in terms of note-taking, use of library, time allocation to study, and to determine the significance relationship between state self-esteem and academic performance in practical research 2 among grade 12 students in Sagayan National High School. And lastly, to determine which domain of the state self-esteem and academic performance in practical research 2 among grade 12 students in Sagayan National High School. Hypothesis: there is no relationship between self-esteem and academic performance in practical research 2 among grade 12 students in Sagayan National High School. And there is no domain in self-esteem and academic performance in practical research 2 among grade 12 students in Sagayan National High School. Theoretical framework: the independent variable of this study is based on Farkani 2008 self-esteem. A healthy self-esteem is an important factor for education success, based upon there being some correlation between student self-esteem and academic performance. And the dependent variable is grounded in Cass and Burke 2002. The self-esteem built up by self-verification buffers the negative emotion that occur when self-verification is problematic, thus allowing continued interaction and continuity in structural arrangement during periods of description and change. And lastly, in university settings, students can achieve exceptional academic success with daily real-world achievement. Instructor and administrator motivate students to pursue their goals and graduate from research. Conceptual paradigm: the independent variable is high self-esteem and low self-esteem. The dependent variable is note-taking, use of library, and time allocation to study. Research design: this study will utilize a quantitative, non-experimental with descriptive correlational technique to describe any possible existing relationship between two identified variables. As descriptive correlational approach will be utilized to investigate the prevalence of self-esteem in academic performance. Research locale: this research will be conducted in the district of Asuncion, Davao del Norte, as indicated by the 2020 census. It has populace of 61 6,893 individuals with land region of 297.39 km². The municipal is made of 20 barangay. The district of Asuncion was made of 5 clusters among all primary schools and locate and indicate by the district planning team. According, the 5 clusters are made from 27 elementary and primary schools. Population and sample. In this investigation, the respondent will be the grade 12 student in Sagayan National High School. The respondent were taken from the absolute population of 223, and deciding the sample size solving formula was utilized. Statistical tool. The response from the questionnaire is styled and recorded. The analysis was utilized the following statistical treatment. Number 1, mean. Number 2, person R. Number 3, regression analysis. This is the result. In the table 1, show the data, the level of self-esteem in terms of high self-esteem and low self-esteem. It is indicated in the table that overall mean is 3.25 with the descriptive equivalent of moderate. In the table 2, show the data, the level of academic performance in terms of note-taking, use of library, and time allocation to study. It is indicate in the table that overall mean is 3.43 with the descriptive equivalent of high. Table 3, significance of the relationship between self-esteem and academic performance. R value, correlational, R2, P value, decision, and conclusion. Self-esteem and the academic performance is 0.37. The R value in correlational, moderately strong, and the R2 0.13, and the P value is 0.0, and this decision rejected, and the conclusion on relation is significant. The table 4, domain is self-esteem significantly affect academic performance. Indicators is high self-esteem, low self-esteem, note-taking, use of library, and time allocation to study. P value 0.0, and the decision is rejected. Summary of findings. Based on the data gathered, the following findings were presented. 1. The level of self-esteem of students in Sagayan National High School have a overall mean of 3.25 with a descriptive equivalent of moderate. 2. The level of academic performance of students in Sagayan National High School have an overall mean of 3.43 with a descriptive equivalent. Number 3. There is statistically significant relationship between self-esteem and academic performance of students, as indicated by probability value of 0.00 and leading to the acceptance of the null hypothesis. And the number 4, in statistical terms, there is significant evidence to reject the idea that self-esteem of students is impacted by academic performance, as the calculated probability value of 0.0 is lower than the level of significance of 0.05. Conclusion. Based on the finding of the study, the following conclusions are made. 1. The level of self-esteem is less evident. 2. The level of academic performance is not evident. 3. There is significant relationship between self-esteem and academic performance. 4. Self-esteem is significant in academic performance of the student. Recommendation. 1. To improve self-esteem with a mean 3.25, support where students feel encouraged and value focus on reinforcing strength and positive self-talk. To build confidence, provide feedback that emphasize growth and learning, not just errors. Gradually increase the task difficulty, starting with low-pressure activities to help students gain confidence. Incorporate relaxation techniques like deep breathing and mindfulness to reduce stress. Promoting peer support and collaboration can also help students feel more secure and motivated, ultimately boosting their self-esteem. Number 2. Maintaining a focus on setting clear academic goals, fostering self-discipline, and providing regular constructive feedback. Offering opportunities for active learning, peer collaboration, and continuous support can help sustain and enhance academic achievement and motivation. Number 3. The connection between self-esteem and academic performance is significant. A student with higher self-esteem are most likely to perform well academically. Positive self-regard boosts motivation, resilience, and active engagement in learning, contributing to improved outcomes. Interventions such as encouraging self-reflection, setting achieved goals, and providing a supportive learning confidence overcome challenge and stay focused on their academic goals, ultimately leading to better performance and a more positive education experience. Number 4. It is essential to implement psychological support program focused on boosting self-esteem to improve academic performance, offering counseling workshop on self-confidence and stress management technique can help students build resilience. This support allows learners to manage academic pressure, overcome challenge, and enhance both their self-esteem and overall performance. 5 to 7. To boost self-esteem and improve academic performance, students should engage in training focused on building communication and presentation skills. Regular activities like group discussion, mock presentation, and peer reviews can help students enhance their ability to speak confidently and express ideas effectively. This exercise reduces anxiety, builds resilience, and fosters a sense of accomplishment by creating opportunities for students to practice under low-pressure conditions. They gain the confidence needed to face academic challenges, strengthen and self-esteem, and ultimately achieve better academic results. And lastly, number 8, incorporating mindfulness and relaxation techniques like meditation, deep breathing, and visualization can significantly boost self-esteem and academic performance. This practice helps students manage stress, stay focused, and build emotional resilience, especially during high-pressure moments such as exam or presentation. Regular mindfulness exercise enhance mental clarity and overall well-being. Furthermore, providing constructive feedback after assignment or test foster growth, increase confidence, and encourage a positive mindset. Consistent emotional support and check-ins also play a crucial role in maintaining student self-esteem and academic success.